gonna go through the analytics real quick for you. So you can see analytics anywhere. So for instance, if you were on the main page and wanted to see the analytics for like your newsletter, so I see that you sent this out. So you click on this. This tells you that you had 36 people that was on this list. 14 of them, which is 38%, opened it, and two people clicked, or people clicked on 2 of the links, which is 5.6% click rate. If you want more details on that, it gives you an overall view of the whole thing. Mostly people were looking at this on your desktop. On their desktop, you had 2 unique clicks. So that means 2 separate people clicked on a link each, not one person clicking on 2 links. Unique opens, so 14 different people opened it. So that's good to know. If you want to see who actually opened it, this starts to tell you a little bit more about this person, like, oh, this person's really interested. And they opened it twice. They were really interested in looking at this email. If you dive in a little bit, so you can also see what links they clicked on. So they cared about, we know that this wrap looked delicious. Look, they clicked on that delicious wrap. They went to check out you and see about your VIP program. So that's really cool. So anyway, if you go back to the opens and you want to learn a little bit more about this person has opened every email that you've given them. I know they only gotten 1, but they were 100% open. They clicked on 2 unique links as well. So they're the person that clicked on everything. What I want you to see here is that you can start diving deep into like the people who are like most interested. Like every time you send a newsletter, if they're a lead and they're clicking on everything, they're very interested in the information that you have to give them. You might want to follow up with them, check in on them. But that's it. That's how simple this process is. So I'm going to go to the workflows and kind of show you analytics there since it's a little bit different. So these people have actually completed your workflow, but if there was like another step down here, it would tell who is at which step. So for instance, when you click here, 4 people came in, 4 people finished this one. Oh, you had a 75% open rate. That's excellent. And they all clicked. That's awesome. So if you want to see details about that one, you can see what they clicked. So that's really, really good. I just wanted you to see that you can dive deeper into what's going on with people, who they are, what they cared about, what links they clicked on, so you can give more of that information. I hope this helps.